So how do you sign up for Flip and how can you actually make money and cash it out? I'm going to show you coming up next. Right now, we're actually scrolling, which is the number one way to make money and to earn money, and that's by scrolling and engaging. So right now, if we want to click like on there, if you look in the top right hand corner, I'm at $64.82. Now, I can do a comment and I can be like, wow, and I can hit send that comment. Now, automatically, I just commented, it went from 62 cents to 70 cents, just like that. So, not really listening to that, but I liked it. So we're at 64.70. I'm gonna just show you how quickly it can increase. All right. Oh, wow. There's a dog going down the stairs. It went up to 73. I'm gonna put cool. All right, so we put cool. We're at 64.73. It instantly went up to 64.79. Now imagine if I'm doing this all day. Let's go ahead and get it to 65, right? Let's get it to 65. Now we're at 65. Fill out your profile. All right, put your name, fill out your bio, and then go ahead and follow some people because you want that authentic engagement. Don't just scroll, like, and comment, but follow some people. Okay, this way they can see you're following them, they can follow you and check out your profile, because ultimately, until you start selling something, you want engagement on your content. So if you don't just sell an item and you just upload random content or specific to your niche, you want people to like and comment. And the good way to get followers is by following them. That way they can say, oh, who followed me? Let me go follow them, because a lot of people are new on this platform. So my videos on here that are not flip related, which another thing is flips versus clips. Flips are basically, if you imagine a house, buying a house and you're flipping the house, you want to make some extra money. So think of it that way and you'll never forget it. Flips are products that you actually buy, or you may own a product that you already have in your house, which I don't have one standing by, but say I own this phone and it's on flip. Because I already own it and it's the exact same thing, I can make a flip video on this product, right? Tag it, link the actual product, and start earning money when people watch my video. And when they make a purchase, I get a percentage. All right. But if I just want to make clips, you do have to buy a product first. You cannot make any clips. Think of it as shorts or reels or TikTok videos. You cannot make any clips if you haven't bought a product first. So buy a product, get it out the way. It could be cheap, but and once you start uploading videos, and it could be from your other social media platform, right? Whether it's YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, upload those clips. Views will still get you money. So if we look on here, I have 525 views from a video that I created. We'll click on it, just a couple of comments, right? Now, it's not going to show you what I've made for that video. Okay, and real quick, at the making of this video, this is how you see how much you made on each video. So what you want to do is you want to go to my wallet at the top left right there, click on that, and then at the very, very bottom left, it says my content in black. Push that all the way up, boom. So now you see for that video that I made that says no invite, I've made $1.52 on that video. Now that's encouraging because I have 537 views. It really is encouraging. Now the reason why is because I didn't have to have 10,000 followers like on TikTok to be able to make money off of my videos. So guess what I'm about to do? I'm about to start making a bunch of videos that are not necessarily me buying products, and flipping them, because I might do that far and in between. But then also 18 cents or 16 cents on the video to the right. And you can see 18 cents, 7 cents, 4 cents, 3 cents, go all the way down, to 0 cents. So that's just one way on how you would find out how much money you've made. And this is in your analytics under my content at the bottom. But if you wanted to go into your account, click on account right there, and then we'll click on wallet. All right, so wallet, it shows that I have available rewards, $65.06. Now this is from scrolling, liking, and engaging. I can use that money and apply it to something that I want to buy. So if I go to shop, click on shop right now, and let's say this is $12 and it's a planter stand, right? If you want to put a plant in there, it's a planter stand. But let's just buy something that I would actually really want to buy. It's $24.01, 55% off. So we already added it to my cart. So I'm gonna go to the cart and boom, automatically 55% off, dropped it down to $14.73. Now, this is legit real because if I didn't scroll, like, and engage, I wouldn't have gained that extra money to apply at checkout. So basically, you have an opportunity to get everything from 60 to 50% off every time you want to buy something so that you can flip it. And we go to the checkout, $14.73. Now, if I decided I didn't want to buy that, we're just going to go ahead and keep scrolling. All right, so we're keep scrolling, we're engaging. Now, daily streaks, you can make up to $150 a month on Flip. Come on. Now you can make way more, but you can definitely make up to $150 a month on Flip. All right, so I haven't really been on the platform that long, but I know how it works. I'm going to show you this. You get 48 cents for every 10 videos you watch. 48 cents. That is actually pretty good for scrolling 10 videos. Your rewards get you discounts on every order. So order number 2, your next order is 55% off up to $55. Now, it's not rocket science. I could spend all day on here, but let's just see if we can cash out what I have earned, which is $2.02. Now, this is not from viewing. This is from people watching my videos. I've only made a couple of videos, so obviously the amount is low. We click on cash out, and then it's going to ask me, do I want to transfer earnings to credits that I can use on Flip, or do I want to send it to my bank? So I'm gonna click on bank transfer, and then it's gonna tell me proceed with Stripe. So you do have to uh, create a Stripe account. Now, it will ask you for your social security number, and this is for tax purposes. So just FYI, it's a legit thing, and you want to be comfortable with doing that. And then it's going to ask you to select an account for payouts. Now, you can do bank account, that way it transfers to your bank account or goes straight to your card. I do believe there is a minimum amount that you need in your account to cash out, but here's the thing, check out something I discovered. Plus, you can earn $15 to $25 for every 1,000 views. You'll also earn $15 to $25 for every 1,000 unique 3-second views. For the first 30 days, your video is live, and this is all about your engagement earnings. So there are a number of ways that you can make money on this app. Now, Flip does have what they ha Now, Flip does have what it's called on the house. So when you see the different tiers, you have silver, gold, platinum, and then you have icon. If we click on icon, you get $4 for every dollar spent on this platform. If you go to silver, you get 50 cents for every dollar spent. If you go to gold, you get $1 for every dollar spent. That's matching it. And then platinum, which is the best, it looks like, you get $2.50 for every dollar spent. And of course, to unlock platinum, you have to hit both goals by April 1st. And that's talking about me. So how do you get verified on Flip? Now, this is cool because you can get verified on other platforms, but Flip is making it actually easier. Verify your phone number, check. Sync your contacts, check. Complete 3 orders. It's telling you how to get verified, how to get that check mark. Complete 3 orders, make 3 purchases. I've only made 1 actually. And then on earn a 30-day streak. Watch 10 posts per day for 30 days in a row to stay active on the app. And the last one is post 1 time per day for 30 days. That's all you have to do to get verified on Flip. So guess what? I'm going to be doing that because I want to be verified on a platform without paying for it. All right, so that's how you get verified on Flip. Hey guys, let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'm just getting started, but I see a number of opportunities on ways that you can make money. All right, I'm gonna dive full into this app just like I've done on TikTok and YouTube Shorts. All right, let me know what are your thoughts and what are you currently doing or what do you plan on doing with this way to make money, especially this year.